Ever wondered what the difference between a hardware wallet and a cold wallet is? Fear not, for this is the question we'll be tackling today, diving deep into the world of crypto wallets to help you understand these two prominent players. Now imagine you've just struck gold in the world of crypto. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another rising star, you need a safe place to store your digital treasure. That's where crypto wallets come into play, and among them, hardware wallets and cold wallets often stand out as top choices. A hardware wallet is a physical device, much like a USB stick, designed to securely store your cryptocurrency offline. It's a fortress protecting your digital wealth from the dangers of the internet. When you want to make a transaction, you simply connect your hardware wallet to your computer, enter your PIN, and voila, you're in business. What makes hardware wallets attractive is their robust security. Your precious keys never leave the device, making it a tough nut to crack for any would-be cyber thieves. Plus, they're portable, meaning you can carry your crypto wealth with you wherever you go. However, they do come with a price tag and can be susceptible to physical damage or loss. On the other side of the ring, we have cold wallets. Now, don't let the name fool you. Cold simply means offline. A cold wallet can be as simple as a piece of paper with your cryptocurrency keys written on it. It's like a vault buried deep underground, inaccessible to the prying eyes of the online world. The beauty of cold wallets lies in their simplicity and cost-effectiveness. You don't need to shell out for a fancy piece of tech, a pen and paper will do. Plus, being entirely offline, they offer an unparalleled level of security. However, they're not as user-friendly as their hardware counterparts, and losing that piece of paper can mean saying goodbye to your crypto assets. So, in the showdown between hardware wallets and cold wallets, who comes out on top? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're after convenience and don't mind spending a bit, a hardware wallet could be your best bet. But if you're a die-hard security enthusiast who prefers the old-school pen and paper route, a cold wallet might be more up your alley. To summarize, hardware wallets offer robust security, portability, and user-friendliness at a cost, while cold wallets provide maximum security and cost-effectiveness, though they can be less convenient to use. Both have their pros and cons, and the choice ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. Remember, cryptocurrency is exciting but can also be risky. So whether you choose a hardware wallet or a cold wallet, ensure you're taking steps to protect your digital assets. Because in the end, the best wallet for you is the one that keeps your crypto safe and sound. And there you have it, the rundown on hardware wallets versus cold wallets. Now, the next time someone asks you the difference, you'll be well equipped to enlighten them. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep securing your digital wealth.